Hello all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how you can go about organizing your emails using rules in Outlook. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Outlook Classic, and in order to have this version of Outlook you do need Microsoft 365 subscription or Home and Student. So once you have your emails pulled up, what we're going to do is we're going to start with Google Alerts. So I want to go ahead and instead of having these Google Alerts go into my inbox every time, I want to have it go into a specific folder. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on Google Alerts. We're going to go to Rules and we're going to hit Create Rules. And from here we're going to go from Google and I'm going to hit Move to a specific folder. Go ahead and click Select, and then I'm going to create a new folder in my inbox here. So we're going to click on Inbox and we're going to click New. We can just call it Google Alerts. And once we've created the name, go ahead and click OK. And then click OK. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click OK. Now you could have it play a sound. So if there are specific emails you want to be alerted that, hey, there's an email alert, I want to be alerted, you can have specific sound set up so you get those notifications, so you don't ever have to worry about missing them. So go ahead and click OK. And then you have the option that says run this rule for all existing emails, or if you don't select that, it will just go ahead and move forward. It will automatically select the one email I already selected and move that to the Google Alerts folder, but it will keep all the other ones open and just continue moving forward. For any new emails, it will automatically put that into the Google Alerts folder, but I want to have it move all my Google Alerts from all my past emails into that folder as well. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And there we go. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to clean up my MailChimp. So we're going to go ahead and do this as well. So we're going to right click, I'm going to hit Rules, Create Rules, from MailChimp, click Move, Select, and I'm going to go ahead and click a new rule. We're going to call it MailChimp. Okay, perfect. We're going to click OK. Click OK. Click OK. I'm going to run this rule now. And there we go. Now there might be some other MailChimps in here that might still exist. So what we can do is we can go to File, go to Accounts, or not Account, sorry. Let's go, if we go to here, we can just click on any email and go to Rules. And there's an option that says Manage Rules. And we're going to click on our MailChimp one. I'm going to right click and specific people group, click Next, 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 and run. Okay, click OK. Let's see, did that help? Not all, and that might be because of the domains. Sometimes if the domain changes, that's going to cause issue, or the email address, because it's using based off the email address. But if you enjoyed this tech tip, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive new alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.